Okay.
So can we ask everybody to please grab your glasses, no? Ayan, meron tayong wine. Kay Ma'am April. So ayan yung wine natin. Huwag sana tayo malasing kagad, no? Okay.
Sana po, hindi po ako umiinom.
Anyway, we invite everyone to please stand. No? Tayo po tayo. Okay?
Okay, tayo po tayong lahat.
Okay, so let me just read, no? In behalf of Captain Krish, who will be joining us later. No? So, before we raise our glasses, I want to take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we've been on together. Today, we celebrate not just the success of our company, but the hard work, dedication, and passion that each one of you has contributed to make this achievement possible. No? And we look for the future. Let's remember that this milestone is just the beginning. With the same drive and determination, there are no limits to what we can achieve together. So here's to our shared success, to the bright future ahead, and to each and every one of you who made this possible. So I would say, cheers! Cheers to everyone. Okay?
Cheers! Synergy family, cheers! Cheers!
Cheers, Miss April, President,
Cheers po!
Ma'am Tina.